In this video, I'm gonna show how to send notifications to all the users for a certain app. And I'm using this trick for the Golf Guru app, and this is where I'm showing you the trick. First of all, let's check the database, and I created a collection called group or groups that has only a name and a many-to-many relations to users. And I populated it with, at the moment, just one record, which has the name all users, and at the moment no users are on the application. Next thing is to create a button that all the users have to click. I could do it with the sign up. I did it with the continue registration. And the button is not a simple button, but it is a list. In this case, is a list of all the groups. In this case, I only have one group, so this will simply be one button. What is the action? Here I'm doing many things, but we are just focused on the first action, which is the update current group, and we are adding the logged in user to the group. Now, when the user click here, will be added to the all user group. The next thing is to create some screens that are only accessible if you are a super user. So if you are, for example, the owner of the application, and this is done by the super user button, which is visible only if you are a super user, which brings me here. And here is where I create let's just look at the first one. Here is where I create the notification. You can see the title and the body. And again, the send button looks like a button, but it is a list. It is a list of all groups where the name is equal to all users. And let's go to the action that this button do is a trigger notification action. Here, as you can see, I'm sending it to the current group users all. The title is the title, the notification text is the body. And the screen here, I'm sending it to the in this case, to the welcome screen, which is this one. How to send the users to another screen? That's easy. You can simply duplicate this. Of course, change here where you want to send. And accordingly, you change the button. Here in screen, you can simply send them, for example, to the leaderboards page. As you can imagine, you can create this also for a specific set of users by simply creating a new group and then sending the notification only to them.